Hey guys, this is Ride Review. In this video, we're gonna watch the hands-on review about Yamaha MT-15 Indian version. So this bike is basically a sports maker version of R15 V3 with a single channel ABS. So this bike is powered with 155cc single cylinder 4-stroke 4-valve SYH engine with a transmission of 6-gear slipper clutch. This bike doesn't come with the clip-on handlebars because of the upstraight riding position for city, but it has a daring alien headlights which gives a stunning look during night. Two LED lights and the projector light in front lifts up the whole look of the bike. So the bike is powered with 155cc with a power of 19.30 bhp at 10,000 rpm and a torque of 14.7 Nm at 8,500 rpm. So the fuel tank comes with a capacity of 10 liters with a mileage of 48.75 km per liter with a city limit, and it has a top speed of 130 km per hour. This bike doesn't comes with the ECU of R15. We have a change in ECU. The bike comes with a single channel ABS only in the front wheel. There are some changes in the rear seat with the international version and the Indian version. In Indian version we have grab rails for a rear pillion rider, but there is no split seat like R15. There are some changes to the rear sprocket of MT-15 and R15. The R15 has a 48 tooth, but in MT-15 we have 52 tooth, which there is an increase in drive ratio. The drawback of MT-15 is a box swing arm and the single channel ABS system. So the front and rear wheel comes with a 17-inch alloy wheel with both tubeless tires. The bike comes with a two color variant of metallic black and matte blue. So we have the cooling area right beneath the petrol tank. Though R15 has a cast aluminum swing arm, but in MT-15 we have a box swing arm, which is a major drawback of MT-15. As we can see, the gap between the handlebar and the petrol tank is too minimum when it is compared to the FZ25. It's more. Maybe some riders may get too difficult while hard turning. The bike has the ground clearance around 155mm and the width around 800mm with a curb weight of 133 kg. In MT-15 we had a MRF tires, but in R15 we have Mezler optional tires. If you have any thoughts about this bike, please comment below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe for Riders View.